Hi, today is Tuesday. We're going to start with rhyme recognition. I'll say 3 words and you tell me the 2 words that rhyme. Okay? Clam, slam, glove. Clam, slam. Plaid, block, glad. Plaid, glad. Clasp, blue, flew. Blue, flew. Glee, flee, peace. Glee, flee. Slick, globe, click. Slick, click. All right, great job. I will say 2 words and you tell me the blend that they begin with, okay? Spirit, spider. Sp. Flower, flourish. Full. Snuggle, snowy. Sn. Pleasure, plenty. Pull. Stamp, sticker. St. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes together. We have some that are a little longer, and these all have the ul blend, okay? P, ul, a, n, t. Plant. S, ul, a, m. Slam. B, ul, s. Bless. K, ul, ass. Class. F, ul, aim. Flame. G, ul, eam. Gleam. P, ul, eight. Plate. S, ul, ed. Sled. Very good. Okay, we're going to isolate medial sounds today. They all have the ul blend at the beginning. Full-ite. I. Cool-ub. Gul-eam. E. Gul-os. Pull-ain. A. Sul-ush. Cool-am. All right. We're segmenting. Get your choppers out. Blonde. B, o, a, n, d. We're getting some longer ones. Clock. K, o, a, k. Fly. F, o, I. Glove. G, o, a. Slice. S, blow. Close. Flight. Okay, we're going to add our initial phoneme. Remember, we already have the ul in the ending, so you're going to have to blend that initial phoneme with that ul to make the word, okay? We're starting with leave. Add s to the beginning to make sleeve. We're starting with lied. Add g to the beginning to make glide. We're starting with lay. Add p to the beginning to make play. We're starting with leap. Add s to the beginning to make sleep. We're starting with lan. Add p to the beginning to make plan. We're starting with lean. Add k to the beginning to make clean. We're starting with loat. Add f to the beginning to make float. Good. Now we're going to delete that initial phoneme, but leave that O and the ending, okay? We have the word bleed without B. What's left? Lead. We have the word clump without K. What's left? Lump. We have the word flash without F. What's left? Lash. We have the word gloss without G. What's left? Loss. We have the word slide without S. What's left? Lied. We have the word blimp without B. What's left? Limp. We have the word flu without F. What's left? Loo. We have the word flop without F. What's left? Lop. Okay, last one is substituting. So we have the word sum, change S to pull, and what's the word? Plum. We have the word plum, change pull to th, and what's the word? Thumb. We have the word thumb, change th to go, and what's the word? Glum. We have the word glum, change go to ka, and what's the word? Come. We have the word come, and that's it. Yay, we're done for the day.